Have you ever found yourself staring at your Robinhood app, wondering if it's time to cash out those crypto holdings? Maybe you're eyeing a new car, a down payment on a house, or simply looking to secure some profits. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of selling Robinhood crypto. But before we get started, let's address a common question. Why would you want to sell your crypto? There are several reasons why you might consider selling your crypto holdings. Perhaps you need the money for a financial emergency or want to diversify your portfolio. Maybe you've reached your profit goal or simply believe the market is headed for a downturn. Whatever your reason, it's important to approach the selling process with a clear strategy. Selling crypto on Robinhood is relatively straightforward, but there are a few key steps involved. Let's break it down. Log into your Robinhood account. The first step is to log into your Robinhood account using your username and password. Navigate to your crypto portfolio. Once logged in, tap on the Portfolio tab at the bottom of the screen. This will display your entire investment portfolio, including your crypto holdings. Select the crypto you want to sell, find the specific cryptocurrency you want to sell, and tap on it. This will bring up a detailed view of that particular asset. Choose the quantity to sell, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific number of coins or a percentage of your total holdings. Confirm your sale, review the details of your sale, including the price per coin and the total proceeds. Once you're satisfied, tap on the Sell button to confirm your transaction. Tax implications of selling crypto. One of the most important things to consider when selling crypto is the tax implications. In most jurisdictions, capital gains tax is applicable to profits made from the sale of cryptocurrencies. The tax rate can vary depending on your income level and the length of time you held the asset. It's essential to consult with a tax professional to understand your specific tax obligations. Tips for selling crypto successfully. Here are a few tips to help you sell your Robinhood crypto successfully. Set a stop-loss order. A stop-loss order allows you to automatically sell your crypto if the price drops below a certain level. This can help protect your profits in a volatile market. Consider tax loss harvesting. If you have incurred losses on other investments, you may be able to offset those losses by selling your crypto at a loss. This is known as tax loss harvesting. Be patient. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile. It's important to be patient and avoid making impulsive decisions. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency market. This will help you make informed decisions about when to buy and sell. Additional considerations. Before you sell your crypto, there are a few additional factors to consider. Transaction fees. Robinhood charges a small transaction fee for buying and selling crypto. Be sure to factor this into your calculations. Market volatility. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, meaning prices can fluctuate rapidly. Be prepared for potential losses. Security. Always prioritize the security of your Robinhood account and crypto wallets. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. Selling Robinhood crypto can be a great way to realize profits or diversify your portfolio. However, it's important to approach the process with a clear strategy and a thorough understanding of the tax implications. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can sell your crypto successfully and maximize your returns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.